Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says a black woman who was a slave girl of an Arab embraced Islam. As her hut was beside the mosque, she would come to us and have a chat with us. When she had said all, she would recite the verse, "The day of the necklace is one of the wonders of our Lord, who rescued me from the disbelievers' city." When she had done so many a times, Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha asked, "What is the day of the necklace?" She replied, "One of my master's daughters came out wearing a leather necklace. It fell down and a kite took it away, mistaking it for a piece of meat. The people accused me of theft and severely beat me, and even searched my private parts. When these atrocities were being committed on me and the people were gathering around me, the kite came flying and dropped that necklace on our heads. They took the necklace. I said to them, 'You were calumniating me, whereas I am innocent of this crime.'" Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3835.